Yeah, speaking of one of the greats, man, shout out to the one and only Denzel. Let's get it.
Turn it off. That's what I would say. It's hard for young people now because they're hooked. They're addicted. If you don't think you're addicted, and I'm talking about anyone, from the highest to the lowest, if you don't think you're addicted, then see if you can turn it off for a week. It got quiet in here, didn't it? Didn't it get real quiet? It's a tool, so we should use it. God has blessed us with free will. Now it's free will magnified, free will on steroids. You're free to go in any direction you want. It will allow you, and it's not the enemy. It's just it's just a reflection of our own free will. Oh, and we all want to be liked, but now we want to be liked by 16 million. And will now some of us do anything to be liked? We used to do anything to be liked, but it was by the person in front of you. Now it's to be liked by 16 million people that you don't know.
Man, again, a huge shout out to Denzel Washington, man. Great actor, powerful speaker, man. He will motivate the heck out of you. Like I've heard so many of his speeches that he's given, college or just talking, after accepting awards and stuff like that. Very, very powerful guy, man. And just to piggyback off what he was saying, I see it. I've seen it for as long as I can remember. And it was kind of weird to me, like even back when, MySpace was a thing. And you see those people that would literally show all of that doggone skin just to get some likes and attention. Like it literally started off just a little bit, and then little by little it started being more and more. Start making booty shaking videos. What is it, the twerk team? I don't know if y'all familiar with the twerk team, but hey, I wasn't too mad about it, back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Twerk team was something serious, boy. Twerk team was definitely something serious. But yeah, it's literally gotten out of hand, man. It went from again those twerk videos to the video vixens to people just freaking getting out of hand. Now we have websites. We have, online. I don't even know if it's a website or if it's an app, but the OF thing. Like you got people out here that are doing everything for clicks, views, likes, money. People literally go live. They literally go live and they're sitting there telling and showing all of their business, and it's all just for clicks and views. They will literally sit there and tell the entire world all of their personal business just for some likes, comments, and views, just to be liked, bro. I mean, it's still kind of like it's still foreign, and I guess it always will be foreign to me because I'm never gonna understand it. Like, yo, I'm gonna show you what I want to show you, but you're not gonna see, my entire life. Even though I say I live most of my life on camera, I'm still only showing people what I want them to see. You know what I mean? Like it's still a lot of things that I will not put on the internet. It's a lot of, family members that I'm gonna always protect, not necessarily put them in the limelight like too much. You know what I'm saying? Like most of those videos are gonna be like pre-recorded or whatever, where I'm able to like cut the audio or whatever, or blur out faces or whatnot. But yeah, man, people are literally getting out of hand, man. And I'm glad that we still got OGs out here that's still trying to give us a little bit of insight, bro. Maybe you need to step away from social media for a while. Like a lot of y'all have literally lost sight of who you are because of social media. Like y'all get on here and you front for the camera. A lot of y'all are out here posting and showing way too much on camera. And honestly, I feel sorry for those people, man, because they're lost. Like you have no freaking clue and you will do anything just for another freaking click. It's crazy, bro. Y'all let me know though, man. What do y'all think down in the comments about this, man? I think that my boy was cooking. But yeah, y'all, Y'all let me know what do you guys think about that video, man. Shout out to Denzel.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was you know they roll.